Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Trezor Suite step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the address for Trezor Suite. Press enter to load the website. Once the page loads, locate the login button. Click on the login button. You will see two options, Trezor 1 and Trezor Model T. Select the option that corresponds to your device. Connect your Trezor device to your computer. If prompted, unlock your device using your PIN. On your computer, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your device. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your device. After confirmation, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. If you have previously created an account, enter your email and password. If this is your first time, you may need to create a new account. Follow the instructions for account creation if necessary. Once logged in, you will see your wallet balance and transaction history. Explore the features available in Trezor Suite. You are now successfully logged into Trezor Suite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.